A car like this, you gonna rent it out for about 110 to 130 a day, depending on, you know, where you at, what city you live in. Alright, I know it's getting dark outside, but I've been wanting to do this video for a little while now, and I finally got the time, or you can say I finally feel like doing it. But people always ask how I own these cars, and this is my whip. This is what I'm modifying, this is what I baby. All the other cars are investments. A car's a bad investment, you lose all the value, all that. No, I make money with my cars. How do I make money? With Turo. Turo is just a peer-to-peer car sharing app. So it's basically like the Airbnb for cars. You set your own prices, your own rules, guidelines, all that. And that's how people make their money. But how I got started with Turo is I own 2 cars, and I decided to make money with the one that I wasn't driving all the time. So with that one that I don't drive all the time, I posted it up. It made me some money. I said, this is kind of smart. Bought a convertible for the summer. Convertible did numbers. That turned up. Ended up doing the business out of it. So that's how it came about. We both bought convertibles, and then we decided to keep expanding. Made a fleet out of it. But this video, I'm focused on the 5.0. Alright, so before we expanded, all I had was this car, and I had my little trapper. I had a 2005 Audi A4, and this was my baby. But it was just sitting, so I decided to start renting it out. A car like this, you gonna rent it out for about 110 to 130 a day, depending on, you know, where you at, what city you live in, what time of the year it is. If people are looking for American muscle cars, all this stuff come into play when you're trying to, you know, find your niche in your market. You want to be careful not to set the price too low with cars like this, because then you get people that's young and reckless, and they got $150, so they want to rent a Mustang for a day, and they ended up crashing it, so you don't want to do that. And I know y'all thinking now, like, why would somebody rent my personal car on Turo? It's very safe, actually. They do all the marketing. They do all the commercials. They have billboards. They have an office. Everything. You want to be safe. They do insure it. They supply the insurance. But if anything happens, they cover everything. Nothing out of pocket. They use Liberty Mutual Insurance. Smart thing to do. But yeah. I just wanted to share with y'all like how I make money with the 5.0, or how I used to make money with the 5.0, not no more. That was just my baby. Don't rent that out no more. But I'll do more series on, you know, how I make money on Turo. Everybody always asking. I'll show y'all each car that I rent out. I'll put a link in the description for y'all to rent the other cars. But this the baby. Only thing y'all can do with this one is go to the Instagram and look at the pictures I take of it. That's the car's Instagram with all my pictures that I take. I am a car photographer, so if you need pictures of your car, hit me up. Get you some nice flicks going. I don't be trying to tax people. I haven't charged anybody yet. I do it for the love, so if you're in the area and want to get a shoot in, just hit me up. If it fit my schedule, I'll hook you up, but that's pretty much it, man.